Okay, this is part one of the demolition work. Trying to pretty much get most of the stuff, part. Yeah, cap that off because that's the gas line. Make sure that's secure. We're waiting on the dumpster. The dumpster hadn't came yet, but it should be here tonight. But we'll be ready to push forward. But we getting prepping things. Boarded up for security, but yeah, we ready. We're getting ready for the demo. So this is part one of the demo. Part two will be tomorrow. As you can see, some of the stuff been started already. Look up there. So this is gonna be totally gutted. This whole bathroom is gonna be gutted out. There go all the scraps, the toilet. So we actually got the dumpster.
That's great, man.
Yeah. The dumpsters here. Same day dumpsters. We position ourselves to finish this demo. This is day two of the demo. Most of the stuff being cleaned out. We started already. Most of the stuff there. We're working on the doors now. Moving the doors. We're still starting this kitchen and the bathroom. I just got it. It's in there. It's in the back room. Clean. Most of the stuff cleaned out. Got the refrigerator, got the stove. So you'll see. We're gonna continue the video. Most of the stuff that's already in the dumpster. Hope we got enough room. Good, man. That's pretty much it. Carpet. Gonna save the walls. Just here. Carpet up. Gonna save the walls. Carpet up. Save the walls. Bathroom completely gutted. Walls gone. Plumber ready for the plumber. Electrician come out to inspect. Going here, kitchen, same wall, got it. We'll save the walls, rest of the walls. Yeah, this wall. Might have to do some work at the on the laundry connection, but this wall. Removed. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the demo. Demo done. Dumpster Got a few more days with the dumpsters. We go fill up. Still got a little room left. We might add some garbage in there. But that's it. This day 3. Pretty much done with the demo.